Assalamu alaikum guys. In this practical video, I will guide you for steel reinforcement details in the construction of RCC slab. So let's get started guys. You can see guys, the lapping is up to 1 meter. Die of steel rod is 12 mm. They provided lapping at the distance of L by 4. This is single mesh. Spacing is 12 by 12 inches. On the top of this they will provide the other mesh, then the spacing will be 6 by 6 inches for main bars and distribution bars. Guys, you can see they will overlap the steel rods at this place, which is not the proper steel reinforcement. At this place we can provide crank bar or bent up bar, but unfortunately they don't know what is lapping length. Guys, you can see the cutting length of these steel rods are up to 22 feet, but from factory we have 40 feet or 12 meter. So therefore the lapping is not allowed to provide at the distance of L by 4 from the reference of IS ACI from different reference. Guys, you can see, so this is one of the big mistakes. So therefore guys, the lapping should be provided, if you need, so the lapping should be provided after L by 4 where we don't have negative bending moment. But at this place, this is not the proper design to provide lapping length. If you see guys, they provided extra steel rods and floor beam construction at the distance of L by 4. Guys, you can see at the middle they provided 2 steel rods, so this is the proper. But if you see on the other side, they will overlap the steel rods at this place, which is not proper. So therefore I'm telling you, if you are working on construction site, so be careful for these technical terms which can help you in this practical video. Guys, you can see these 2 steel rods are provided at the distance of L by 4 and floor beam. But if you see, they provided the lapping in one direction, and the lapping should not be provided at the same direction, but it should be provided alternately. But unfortunately they don't know what is lapping length, what is the best place, or where is the best place to provide the lapping. The lapping formula should be up to 50 to 60 D, where D is die of steel rod, if there is 12 mm or any dia. Guys, you can see at the distance of L by 4 you can see 2 steel rods. The place of these steel rods, they can provide crank bar or bent up bar, which is economical compared to these extra steel rods. This is single mesh. On the top of this they will provide the other mesh. Die is 12 mm for both directions. This is two-way slab, so therefore the extra steel rods or bent up bar should be provided on both directions, but they didn't provide. So therefore after some time it will start cracks in the slab. So therefore I'm telling you, if you are working on construction site, so you should remember these points which I am telling you. But if you are going more than 2 story, so you should hire the structural engineer to give you the structural drawing for beam, column, slab for different RCC structure. Guys, you can see depth of the beam is 18 inches, width is 12 inches, 3 steel rods at the bottom, 2 at the top. Ring size, guys, you can see spacing is up to 12 inches, so this is also not the proper design, because this is the maximum spacing between 2 stirrups. Stirrups are perform the good role in the construction of floor beam, plinth beam, hidden beam, etc. Guys, you can see some shuttings are open here. On the top of that they provided plastic. Okay guys, so this is a short video to guide you for steel reinforcement in the construction of this RCC slab. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.